Welcome to Session 12. Quadratic expressions are the gateway to advanced math. Today we write quadratics in standard form, evaluate carefully, expand products, and factor expressions completely. A quadratic has a squared term as the highest power. Write it in standard form before labeling A, B, and C, so you keep the correct signs. When evaluating at a negative input, use parentheses. -2 squared is positive 4. Then the coefficient -3 makes the first term -12. Expanding turns a product into a sum. Factoring reverses that process. For x squared minus 2x minus 15, the numbers multiply to -15 and add to -2. Always check for a greatest common factor first. 6x squared minus 15x has a common factor 3x, leaving 2x minus 5. For non-monic quadratics, use the AC method. Multiply a times c, find two numbers with that product in middle sum, then split the middle term and factor by grouping. Your turn. Factor x squared plus x minus 20. Pause and find two numbers with product -20 and sum 1. The numbers are 5 and -4. They multiply to -20 and add to 1, so the factorization is x plus 5 times x minus 4. Session 12 Recap. Standard form protects signs. Negative inputs need parentheses. Factoring reverses expansion. Check for a greatest common factor first, and use AC when the leading coefficient is not 1.